Hello, viewers. Welcome to Codeforany, online maintenance and service app inside. Today, we need to see this here. Checkouts UI, we need to develop here. First of all, we need to see this UI inside the XD file. Today, I'm to making this here this checkout UI, and also need to make here the address service and payments method selections. Need to like this UI. Need to developing here. First of all, need to see how to making this UI inside the SwiftUI. Now open this here the Xcodes and to select this here the view folders inside and to select here the home folders and then to create here the new files and we need to select this here the shift UI view and then after so you need to write down here the buttons as a screen checkout screen like this. We need to creating here the screen. First of all, now need to payments methods. Need to copy this whole thing here and we need to paste here. Now need to remove here the message. Select here the business no needs. Need to unused, we need to remove here. Now we need to select here the address uh, like this. Now need to set here the titles, change here, checkout, and this back buttons. Then after so we need to set here this scroll view and cut here this scroll view data and we need to put here removing here for this paper ones and this else part no needs. And remove here this space. Now need to set here the buttons as a pay buttons and request inside another buttons we need to copying here and to paste here and now to set here and to change this here the back and we need to set here the environment slash dot present mode where mode set here the binding and we need to set here the present mode. Copy here and to scroll down need to write down here and call this here the dismiss. Same as we need to copy and drop inside back buttons. Put here this code like this configures here. Now we need to drawing here the UI. We need to clean this here first of all. We need to cut here this horizontal stack here and this vertical stack put here. Remove here, cut this here the buttons and we need to set here the selections. Now again so we need to copy here and we need to set here the address of service like this set here and we need to set here the font 18 bold primary text. Now we need to show here the address set here primary text removing here and now need to create here the button update buttons edit. We need to set here the background color primary app colors. Remove this here. And also remove this here, this buttons. Like this, creating here the UI, and we need to configure here and to set this here. Now need to configure these buttons inside the wave. NGBG navigation link. We need to set this here the checkout view screen, and dollars. We need to write down here the show checkout. Now we need to use this variable here, and we need to paste here, set here the true, and we need to set here the state private where set here the false for this checkout. Configure like this here the UI, and we need to configure. Now here set here is select address, and we need to configure this here the checkbox checks, only check like this showing here and to show like this data. Set here the true, and need to configure like this UI. Now we need to see this UI inside the simulators, and similar to show these designs need to creating here this UI looking goods. Now need to image, need to making here the payments UI, need to develop here. Now again we need to copy this here the this horizontal stack, here paste this here. Now we need to set here the titles here, payment like here, and then after we need to developing here the tag, set here the image resource resizables and scale to fit, and we need to set here the frame width. We need to set here the heights 25. Now we need to find out here the mastercard icon, copy here, we need to paste here, and again we need to create here the v stack, and we need to set like this here, and also again put here, draw here 4 times extra like this sets, and primary text set here the bold, and we need to set here the 12, set here the titles mastercard like here, set here placeholder, and we need to configure CS. Here we need to write down here the update button. Need to write here, and now here checks events we need to show here. Need to set here horizontal 15 only, and remove here the top, and we need to set here the spacing 15, not here this, and we need to set here like here, set here the false, set here the true. Now again so need to check here for the payments method UI, and show like this here for this UI. Need to increase this here the heights for this mastercard 35, and scale to fit like this configures here. Again so restart. Next years, and similar to show this here the designs, we need to set here, need to change here the bold, and also need to address set here bold, restart here, and similar to show this here the designs and to configure done. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.